So for part 2 of the experiment, I have emptied out the bottle. I did have to put one little cotton ball down at the bottom just so the sand and charcoal and gravel don't go through the hole. But we're going to make our other filter. So first let's start with our sand. Pretty thick layer of sand. Okay. Should be good. And then our charcoal, which I'm gonna try not to spill everywhere. This might take me a second. Goodness. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Woo. All right, now the aquarium gravel. As you can see, try not to put too much in there. But we do want enough to provide adequate filtration, so probably about like that. Okay. All right. Pretty good looking little filter to me. And now for the, we'll add a little bit more pebbles and then we'll add the water. There. Okay. We'll add the yucky water. Ugh. Okay. So this might take a minute. If it takes a little too long, I have no problem pausing this. But while we're waiting, I did want to explain kind of what the different components are supposed to do. The gravel and the pebbles, they filter out the larger particles, kind of like how the cotton did. The cotton also absorbs a little bit of liquid as well. A little bit of the murkiness and the larger sediments. The sand, it's good for filtering out fine impurities. The activated charcoal is good for that as well. Charcoal also removes contaminants and impurities by absorption. And even if this water does come out clear and clean, I did want to note that it is still not safe for consumption. This filtration process does not kill viruses, bacteria, or nitrates. So after this filtration process, it is recommended that you either distill your water or that you boil it if you do want to actually consume it. So, yeah. And this is still, yeah, this may take a little bit to get through, so maybe I should pause this and get back. Okay, the water is starting to come through the filter now, so I figured I would turn the video back on and just kind of let it do its thing so you guys can witness it in real time. Wow. Let me hold this up for you all. Well, interesting. Wow. This water, let me see. I'm not really able to see it from the camera lens, but this water is actually clear and clean. Much more so than the water that came through the filter made from just cotton. So our conclusion is that the DIY water filter made from sand, charcoal, aquarium gravel, and just a very small piece of cotton was definitely more effective at cleaning this water. The water came out much cleaner, much clearer, visibly cleaner and clearer. I wish my camera would do it more justice. But like I said, even though this is effective for getting the water clean, it is not purified, and it is not safe for drinking. So if you wanted to drink this here water, you would need to still distill it or boil it. But this is a way to filter out like big chunks of sediment and dirt and skunk from the water. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed.